Australian visa. If you are Indonesian citizen or if you are a foreigner and living here in Indonesia and stressing out how to apply an Australian visa, we can help you to file your application. It's a bit complicated. If you cannot do it yourself, we can do it for you. We need some documentation from you, which is in a photo. Your current picture must be last 3 months. We need your passport with all pages, with your travel history, including e-visas and stamps you have recently, all including this passport history, also valid for 6 months. And you have to give us a bank statement at least the last 3 months with ending 5,000 Australian dollar for your financial proof and support your application. Additionally, also you have to provide us on your what we call an employment record, that your pay slip, that it must have your name and the details officially from the company, your employment letter showing your name, the joining date, and it's have an what you call stamp. And also we need what you call, if you are Indonesian, your family certificate, your marriage certificate, and your KTP. If you are foreigner, you need to provide your ethos and your all additional other supporting documents. And after that, we will file your application to online visa application system. It's our assistant fee is around $200 to $250. Please, I am hearing also, I'm getting a lot of chat and messages which is non-serious. It's really don't make sense. If you are not sure and you don't have all these documents, we cannot do something and make the fake documents to provide you a visa application, because embassy will take care of everything by officially. So you must have to provide some real documents, which is really important for any visa application support, so we can process your application. If you do not have a good bank balance, you do not have an employment, you do not have travel history, we are sorry, we cannot process the application without these documents. So if you already have these and you are ready, and if you cannot file it yourself, feel free to contact us today. We will be happy to assist in you. Also, additionally, we can help you to fill up for Canada, for UK, and for Europe, for US as well, especially for B1, B2 visa, and because B1 is for tourism, but it's also worked for business, pleasure, and everything. In the B2, it's especially for the medical purposes. If you are looking for medical purpose, the B2 is more fit for you. So we can help you with the Australian visa, and to what you call, if you are ready to apply, just give us a message, send us an email, or you can also write us a comment. Anyway, happy to help you, happy to help my team here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.